I have shown you a previous video about Zhang Jike has fun in the park. Yesterday, while China team was busy preparing for the Tokyo Olympics, Zhang Jike went to a park and played with a couple. An 80-year-old uncle played against Zhang Jike from left to right. The scene was very lively. Then the uncle's wife also came. The husband and wife team played together against Zhang Jike. The crowd was excited and shouted "beautiful" many times.
我听说这里面公园的老大爷乒乓球水平不错呀。今天是个周末，我准备进去跟他们切磋一下。
看有没有人注意到我。
Later.
来，我给你。80多岁，哎，我这08年奥运会开的，退不休了。我操！80多岁，哎，80多岁老爷子跟记者交手。
大爷的爱人也来了，现在是夫妻档。
漂亮，老头子，漂亮是吧？漂亮，老头子，漂亮是吧？漂亮，真漂亮。你手上了，这一个就够了。
本来以为结束了，结果奶奶意犹未尽，还想再来一球。
漂亮，真漂亮。你手上了，这一个就够了。
本来以为结束了，结果奶奶意犹未尽，还想再来一球。不小心被扳了1分，奶奶好开心。
这俩奶奶是这爷爷奶奶是一对儿，都80多。